years, 7 terrorists, and one final encounter. So, hello and welcome to Come Read With Me, where we take one topic from the newspaper and break it down into a 3-minute explainer. Today's topic is from the Indian Express newspaper, so come read with me. Now, the topic is J&K encounter ends 2 years pursuit of 7 Jaish-e-Mohammed infiltrators from Pakistan, says officers. In Jammu and Kashmir, security forces ended a 2-year-long operation by killing 3 terrorists, including commander of Jaish-e-Mohammed. Now, these terrorists came from Pakistan and they crossed into India in 2023, and they were hiding in the Kishtwar, Chatru area, where tracked under an Operation Trashi. And this final encounter ended a long chase. Now, what is the background? Why this is important? See, what exactly is Jaish-e-Mohammed? It is a Pakistan-based terrorist group responsible for attacks like the Pulwama attack in 2019 and wants to destabilize Jammu and Kashmir. And see, why these does infiltration happen? Militants cross the line of control LOC from Pakistan. They get support from terror networks across the border. Their goal is to create fear, attack security forces, disturb peace. Now, what did security forces do? Army, J&K police, CRPF worked together, used intelligence outfits, local information, used drones, surveillance, and sniffer dogs, operated in difficult mountainous terrain and harsh winters, finally eliminated the remaining terrorists. This shows strong coordination and patience. Now, what exactly is our internal security? See, internal security means protecting the country from threats inside the country like terrorism, insurgency, Naxalism, cyber threats, etc. In J&K, the main issue is cross-border terrorism, radicalization, sleeper cells, infiltration from Pakistan. India handles this through army, border protection, CAPS like CRPF, intelligence agencies like IB and RAW, and technology like drone, night vision, local police coordination as well. Now, there are multiple dimensions to this topic. Let us understand that. First is the security dimension. Cross-border infiltration, hybrid militants, locals plus foreign terrorists, mountain warfare challenges, need for surveillance technology. Second is the political dimension. Now, J&K is sensitive after Article 370 has been removed. After the removal of 370, then stability is crucial for democratic processes. India-Pakistan relations affect security. Then there is a social dimension to it. Radicalization of youth, need for development and jobs, winning local populations' trust. Then there is a geographical dimension to it. Dense forests and mountains, harsh winters, snow up to 3 to 4 feet. Difficult terrain gives advantage to militants, diplomat, and then there is a diplomatic dimension to this. India accuses Pakistan of sponsoring terrorism, international pressure on Pakistan via FATF. Terrorism impacts India's global image and foreign policy. Now, let us understand the UPSC relevance of this topic. This becomes highly relevant for GS Paper 3, Internal Security, GS Paper 2, India-Pakistan Relations, Essay, and for GS Paper 4, Ethics also. This becomes highly important. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.